Hi guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the copies option under the print to PDF. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys all notice we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on working, or should I say rather printing to a desktop printer. In other words, printing to a PDF. And then I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. So now in today's video, we're going to be looking at the copies option. So if we go to our printer settings, which by now you should know is under File, your main menu, then Print, or you just hit Control P as a shortcut and we'll take you there. I'm going to say yes to automatically adjust my design area to the printing area. So now in the previous video we looked at the printer settings. Now we're going to be looking at the copies. Now most of these are pretty simple and standard to understand, or the settings. It's just the collate that we have to look into more depth. So now obviously the number of copies also will vary depending on how many pages you've got and so forth. So let's say we've got one page, then if you click 2, 3, 4, whatever, etc., then you will get that amount of copies of it. But then let's say for instance you have multiple pages, then let's say we've got maybe 2 pages, 3 pages, then what will happen is if this setting is not active, so obviously the more pages you have, if you have multiple pages, this will become you'll be able to edit this or click this, select this on and off. But let's say it is by default off. Then what will happen is if we've got 3 pages with let's say 2 copies, then what's going to do is going to print page 1 twice, page 2 twice, page 3 twice. It's going to go in that order. So basically on your printing stack, it's going to have those orders. Where if you keep this on, the collate, then what will happen is it will let's say you've got 3 pages and you want 2 copies, then what it's going to do, it's going to go print sorry, I mentioned it wrong previously, but yeah, in any case, the amount of copies, what's going to happen is going to print page 1, page 2, page 3, then it's going to go again, page 1, page 2, page 3. So with this on, it's going to keep the sequence of your pages every time it makes a copy. So it will make one copy, another copy. If you keep it off, it will first print all your first pages, the amount of copies you want, then your second pages. So it can be a bit confusing, but well, once you understand how that works, it will make way more sense. And this is also great if you wanted to mass produce, or someone is sorting out afterwards. Then you can always keep it where it prints all the first pages first and then all the second pages. Where if you making something maybe for individual people, then I would recommend using this setting on, so it will print basically one copy of the entire document and then another copy. But yeah, otherwise that is it on copies. It's rather simple, like I mentioned, but yeah, it's just the second option. It's a bit more in depth. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. But if you for any reason do not find the videos you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.